Hi again. This time I'm doing a stamp unboxing. This is from Fawn. As you all probably know, I do have a web shop and I do carry Fawn products, but there's some items that we're not able to buy wholesale, so I did buy this retail and I wanted to share it with you. I missed out on getting it when they first released it, but I got it the second time around and I just received it about a week ago. And it's so cute. So I ordered it like normally, like as a regular customer. So it says, "Thank you so much, Cynthia," and Debbie wrapped it for me. And then there's this cute little stamp that says "Gracias," and that is a freebie from them, and the Fawn twine. So this was the Chibitronics kit that came out, and I wanted this, but again, here we go, Chibitronics Fawn collaboration. And I have never made one of these before, and it looks pretty simple. And I'm loving this stamp. So this is the actual mechanism. So there's batteries and the little conductors, I guess. And then the copper tape, which is another conductor. So hopefully I'll be able to make one and I'll be able to videotape it, but we'll see. And it comes with this cute robot which says "Charge me up" for Chibitronics. Like I said, it's a collaboration. So it comes with the clear stamp and the die cut. And this is, there's like, you can go scan these QR codes and you can see the directions on how to make one. Here's like a template. So here's the mechanism and here's the copper tape, and this is where you will press. So the battery usually goes there, and there's a positive and a negative because it's an electrical current. So same thing. These are all templates, I believe, and it gives you everything. Here's the, it looks like a Nina white or Whisper white. Here's the vellum. Here's all the pieces of cardstock needed. So it looks like this. Looks like you can make a couple cards. Yeah, 2 cards. So there's 2 bases. So I'm really excited. And there's some pattern paper. Everything's all cut out for you. So I'm really excited to try this. And I'll be buying more of the Chibitronics pack. So hopefully I'll be able to bring it into the shop and you can just get this as a refill. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.